How to fix weather on iPhone not working. So first and foremost is you have to make sure that you are connected to an internet connection. And then if it still doesn't work that way, what you can do is to go here to your settings, scroll down up until you see privacy and security. Click on privacy and security, and on the upper portion you will see location services. So make sure you toggle that on. After toggling that on, scroll all the way down up until you see the weather option. Click on weather option here and toggle on precise location, and you can tap on always here, and basically it will fix your problem. Now if it still doesn't work that way, you have to make sure that you have the current date, or you have the present time and date, or the precise time and date. So here you must have the precise time and date again there. So what you're gonna do is to go here to your settings, and then go here to general and go to date and time, and make sure to tap on set it automatically, or if you want to change, for example you've traveled somewhere, then you can set it manually through adjusting the time zone here, or put it into 24-hour time. So basically that would fix your problem. Now if it still doesn't work that way, what you can do is to restart your phone. So all you have to do is to long press your volume up button and your power button in the same time, on the same time, just like this, and this will pop out. Then all you have to do is to tap on slide to power off, and then turn your iPhone again, and basically it will fix your weather problem not working in your iPhone. And basically that's it, and that is how you fix weather on iPhone not working. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.